U.S. State Secretary Antony Blinken spoke with the family of slain Palestinian journalist after criticizing Israel's use of force at her funeral, an official said on Sunday. The top U.S. diplomat noted journalistic body of work and the importance of a free and independent press, the official said on customary condition of anonymity. Blinken offered the support of U.S. diplomats in Jerusalem to the family of Abu Akleh, who also held U.S. citizenship. She was a prominent journalist for Al Jazeera television, was killed on Wednesday when she covered an Israeli raid in the occupied West Bank. Al Jazeera said Israel shot her in cold blood. At her funeral on Friday, baton-wielding Israeli police descended upon mourners and grabbed Palestinian flags, with the pallbearers struggling not to drop her casket. Blinken earlier said he was deeply troubled by the Israeli police's actions and the State Department urged a transparent investigation into her killing.